Exceptional, worth the money. I would highly recommend this hotel to my traveler friends who want to stay in North Taiwan. Must visit again, thumbs up. Exceptional, nice and clean room. Exceptional, we really enjoyed our stay there. Nice staff. Quiet and neat place. Very recommended, very nice clean place. Recommended. Nice hotel, cheap and quality good, no car parking lot, for backpack, so nice. Convenience at its finest. Dian Yuan Hotel's top-notch facilities. Dian Yuan Hotel in Taoyuan, Taiwan, takes pride in providing a range of convenience facilities to ensure a hassle-free and enjoyable stay for its guests. With a laundry service and laundromat on-site, travelers can easily freshen up their clothes and maintain a polished appearance throughout their trip. Additionally, the hotel offers daily housekeeping services, ensuring that rooms are kept clean and tidy, allowing guests to relax and unwind without any worries. For those who prefer to indulge in the comfort of their rooms, Dian Yuan Hotel offers excellent room service. Guests can enjoy delectable meals and beverages delivered right to their doorstep, adding an extra touch of luxury to their stay. Moreover, the hotel provides free Wi-Fi in all rooms, allowing guests to stay connected with loved ones or catch up on work effortlessly. To further enhance the convenience of guests, Dian Yuan Hotel offers express check-in/checkout services, allowing for a smooth and efficient process. Additionally, the hotel provides Wi-Fi in public areas, enabling guests to stay connected throughout the property. For those who require it, there is also a designated smoking area available, ensuring a comfortable environment for all guests. With its array of convenience facilities, Dian Yuan Hotel goes above and beyond to ensure a memorable and hassle-free stay for every guest. Convenient transport facilities at Dian Yuan Hotel. At Dian Yuan Hotel, we understand the importance of seamless transportation options for our guests. Whether you prefer the convenience of a taxi or the flexibility of self-parking, we have you covered. Our hotel offers a reliable taxi service that allows you to explore the vibrant city of Taoyuan with ease. Simply step outside our doors, and our friendly staff will be more than happy to assist you in arranging a taxi to your desired destination.